Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high curly updo. First of all, we're going to curl the entire head, and I've done this using my GHD straighteners. Once you've curled all the hair, we're just going to take a small section of hair from the front. We're going to go from around about the end of the eyebrows, working diagonally back to the crown of the head, so you're left with almost a triangle shaped section, and just clip this out of the way until later. Next, we're going to put the majority of the hair into a ponytail, but you want to leave an inch or two around the hair outline. Just leave this hanging down for now. Once you've got that hair into a ponytail, just pull it all the way forward and keep it out of the way, and then we're just going to take some hair padding and place that over the elastic band and just pin this to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Take that ponytail and flip it back over the hair padding so it covers it. Next, we're going to use that hair to cover all of the padding. So take a small section of hair and let the curl help you decide where to place this. So give it a little twist and just pin it into the padding. If your hair's long enough, grab those tail ends and make another loop and just pin this into the padding. Then all we're going to do is repeat this step with the remainder of the hair until you cover as much of the padding as you can. Next, we're going to work on the hair that we left hanging down around the perimeter of the hairline. I've split this into 4 sections, so I did 1 on either side and then split that bottom section in half. And all we're going to do is bring this up to as close as the padding as we can get it and pin into place. Once you've got all that hair pinned into place, we're going to do exactly what we did before. So take those tail ends, give them a little twist and pin them into the rest of this style. Now that we've got the padding covered completely in hair, we're going to move on to the front section. So just release the hair from that clip and lightly tease the hair just to give it a little bit more volume. Hold this section as close to the padding as possible and pin into place. You can gently loosen this up and give it a messier look by pinching and pulling at the hair. And then, just as we did before, we're going to use the tail ends, looping and pinning them where it's needed still. I left a few tendrils down at the front and I'm just curling these away from the face using my straighteners. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.